There's your mama. He closed the door.
Oh, actually, you shouldn't do video from the side, right?
There he is. There he is.
Open up.
There he is.
Rise and shine. Look, move his head so he's like, his head is straight.
He's a sleepyhead boy.
Rise and shine, Wes. Wake up, little guy. You gotta wake up.
There he is.
It's already 11 o'clock in the morning. You have to wake up. Lily, move his head so he wakes up, Lily.
Okay, come on. Come on. Little Smurf. There he is. There he is. You little Smurf. Oh, that was Luke getting us from behind. Luke, you just moved my arm to the back.
He did?
Yeah. Say hi, Wesley. Say hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. I'm sleeping as usual.
Hold on.
Wesley, what are you doing with your cheeks? What are you doing with your cheeks? What are you doing with your cheeks? There you go. Oh.